You have been wasting your time if you are still treating ChatGPT like a fancy Google search. In 60 seconds, let me show you how to use ChatGPT like a real business weapon. Think of ChatGPT as your digital all-in-one guy, kind of a multitasker who can fix your generator, can set up your TV, and draft your business plan without breaking a sweat. So back to my promise, let me teach you how to become a ChatGPT wizard in just about a minute. Number one, prompt for results. The magic is in the how you ask. Now let me give you an example. Instead of going to ChatGPT and say, write me a business plan, you should say, create a simple 2-page business plan for a kids clothing brand in Lekki, Nigeria, targeting young Nigerian parents and newlyweds with pricing and marketing strategy. You can see the glaring difference between the two prompts. Now, that is how you get output from ChatGPT that can blow your mind. Number two, assign role and modes to ChatGPT. Always assign role to ChatGPT. Always remember that ChatGPT is our all-in-one multitasking personal assistant. So we must always tell it the role to perform each time we need its help for a particular thing. Things like maybe tell ChatGPT to act like a marketing consultant, act like a legal researcher, act like a YouTube strategist. Truth is that ChatGPT performs better when it knows the hat that it should wear. I hope you got that. Number three, use it for content creation. Now, content is the lifeblood of 2026 business owners. So why not? Let's use ChatGPT, irrespective of your need. Maybe your ad copy, Instagram caption, sales email, script, funnel, product idea. ChatGPT turns hours of work into minutes, if not seconds. Let's go to number four. ChatGPT collects data and also learn. Imagine you need to convert a 300-page ebook into a beautiful checklist. Trust me, that's a lot of job in your hand. You know what? Just upload the document and anything at all, notes, screenshot, PDF, ChatGPT reads them faster than your accountant is reading your invoices. So just tell it, summarize this, extract insight, or turn this into a checklist, and boom, you are good to go. Hey, calm down. Fine, ChatGPT is a real deal, but that does not mean you should just copy and paste. So let's talk about accuracy and checking. Now, ChatGPT is powerful, not perfect. Always verify your financial, legal, and sensitive information. As a matter of fact, check all your information before you go ahead to use them. Confidence does not necessarily equal correctness. So use it right and ChatGPT becomes your invisible staff member that never sleeps. Only that you're not paying any salary this time. Follow me on all my channels for more tools to upgrade your business brain and turn AI into money making machine.